business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. And I thank you guys so much for tuning in. I thank you for watching. And I really cannot wait to get into this video, because when it comes to flipping phones, guys, you know I'm really passionate about it, obviously, but also I am excited because every time I make a phone flipping video, I get another success story every single time. And I can't wait to hear your success story. Definitely text it to me. It's 445-500-9600. Again, my number is 445-500-9600. Now, guys, phone flipping in 2023, how is it going? Now, if you guys watched me from 2022, because I believe that's when I really started going on YouTube talking about phone flipping, you guys know that this is something I have a passion for, something I help individuals with, and also you know that I don't just focus on problems, but instead I make solutions. And I don't just make the solutions, I also provide the solutions to you guys, because you guys are my family. All of you guys that subscribe, all you guys that comment, all you guys that like, all you guys that buy anything from me, all you guys that join the community, all you guys that leave DMs, all you guys that ask questions, all you guys that text me, all you guys that call me are my family. You guys are all educated hustlers. And I'm proud of us. I'm proud of us, because it takes a lot to go on the internet, search up something you really care about, and actually act on it. Like, think about how many people go on the internet, look up how to do something, but don't put any type of effort towards it. But not even just that, think about how many people go on the internet, sit in front of a camera, and talk about something they've never done. And they've never done. Never. Or not even just that. How many people go online, sit in front of a camera, and talk about something they never were successful in? Never. A lot of people, guys. But look at what you're doing. Look at what you're doing right now. Right now, you are propelling yourself past plenty of individuals, because you are trying to find a niche, a purpose, a income, a start. You're trying to do better your craft. You're trying to do more. You're trying to increase your wealth, your generational wealth, your income, your profits. You want to get better, and I cannot say anything but I'm proud of you. Despite anything that you've went through, anything that you go through, anybody that doubted you, I'm proud of you. And the reason I'm saying this is because in 2022, when I started making videos about phone flipping, not when I started phone flipping, because I started phone flipping way before that, but never ever thought to share my craft. In 2022, I never knew I would be at this point. Never. Never. And the reason I'm so energetic and powerfully projecting my message onto you is because, guys, we are doing our damn thing. That is how phone flipping in 2023 is going. So, what do you mean by that, Brandon? This is what I mean. I mean that at the end of the day, the amount of individuals that have brought the buyer's price list and that are selling phones to buyers every single day get $3,000 a week, $2,000 a week, $1,500 a week, some even just $800 a week, are in a better position than they were in 2022. Now, one thing I do want to say though is one wrench was thrown in our gear in 2022. or maybe 2023, man. Like around, 2022, December, November, September, and then now in, 2023, it was the iPhone 14, okay? The iPhone 14, I remember the video like it was yesterday when I was talking about how don't buy the iPhone 14, do not flip it. It's not gonna make you no money. It doesn't have a SIM card. Buy the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's higher, that's better. I remember literally in one of my stores being so scared because we have nobody that wants to bring us anything but iPhone 14s. Why was I scared? Because iPhone 14s, when they first came out, phone flipping wise, it was worth like $300 because nobody knew how to unlock them. But see, that's one beautiful thing about this sector of the business as far as phone flipping is understanding that we always figure it out. It's always figured out. No matter what happens, it's always figured out. We always persevere. We always find a way through every time. Whether it's turbo sims, Jebby sims, whether it's unlocking, phone fixing, phone flipping, drop shipping, no matter what, here we always figure it out because see, it's not about the problem, it's always about the solution. So in 2023, phone flipping is doing great, not because of the phones, but because we keep finding ways to make sure that these phones and our money work for us. So in 2023, iPhone 14 Pro Maxes are one of the highest devices my company is flipping, and also you guys as well. In 2023, we are actually making big money with buyers. People that couldn't even find buyers now are finding them. In 2023, I've created a community called Hustler for Hustlers Only that is in the Educated Hustler community down low, where entrepreneurs right now are talking to each other about different things and how they can do this and how they can do that and shoes and different things that they're selling right now. Sorry, y'all, because I gotta actually show you. No, I want to show you. You know what I mean? I want to show you. I got a little too hype. Right now, guys, people are becoming 1% better every day right now. So if you're somebody looking into phone flipping, let's say you like, yo, Brandon, I want to start phone flipping, right? You're not going to hear me say, oh my God, buy my course, oh my God, even though I do have a phone flipping course and it's down below, but I'm not saying buy my phone flipping course. I would never tell you guys just to buy my course. You buy my course once you realize you want it as bad as you want to breathe. You buy my products once you realize you want it as bad as you want to breathe. You don't invest no dime in no business that you don't know you want it as bad as you want to breathe. So it's not about a course, not about a phone flipping price list, not about a community. What it's about I am connecting with people that want this stuff as bad as they want to breathe. So if you're looking into getting into the business and you want to really make this money, it's not about all the glitz and glamour. It's not about making $100 a day. It's not about making $20 a phone. It's not about sitting there making YouTube videos about it. Really what it's about is every day you wake up and get off your butt and you gotta hustle. Shout out to my whole team. Shout out to all of my educated hustlers in the private community as well. Shout them all out. Because every single day I see these individuals in the chat hustling. I'm talking about 1 a.m. They texting in the chat, just flip the phone, just got a deal. Oh, I got 5 deals lined up in the morning. Every single day. And it's like, that's where, if you're looking right now on the internet right now, you want to know, hey, how do I flip phones? You get up off your behind, you get on OfferUp, you get on Facebook Marketplace, you make offers. That is how you do it. There's no science to flipping phones. There's none. All you need to know is how your money is leveraged. That's all you need to know. Now, you want to surround yourself around like-minded individuals like myself. You want to watch like-minded individuals like myself. But I'm going to tell you something. You can't get nowhere if you do that and you don't believe in yourself. It's so many phone flippers in 2022 and 2023 that I've witnessed fail because they don't believe in themselves. Because they don't believe that this is for them. If you don't believe it's for you, then it ain't for you. If you don't think that you can do it, you can't do it. Believe in yourself. So, phone flipping business in 2023 is doing great because we making it do great because we're not focusing on the problems, but instead we're the solutions. We're the solutions to every problem. So thank you guys so much for watching, man. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.